This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, classmates. I'm Andrea Cantu, and in this speech, I'm going to talk about why it's so important to take care of our children's mental health. And mental health in early age plays an important role in our lives, including how we develop socially at work and in any important environment, especially in early age. Eden mentioned that mental health disorders can increase the risk of many physical problems and social interaction, causing serious problems. Children's mental health must be taken with the same importance of care, what is like to go a routine doctor's appointment. In this way, we will avoid consequences such as anxiety, depression, and which can come from different places and cause suicide. My first main point is what mental health disorders can children have. The second is recognize signs of the disorders. And the third one, it's why it's so important to have therapies and treatments for the children's mental health. By understanding what mental health is like, the goals to have good health. This could be a result of environment, genetics, or injuries to the central nervous system and chemical imbalances. This can be lead to traumatic experience or even toxins that cause mental problems. Traumatic experience come from domestic violence, bullying, stress related to poverty, and many more factors that become highly traumatic experience in children. From genetic side, psychological disorder also develop. These disorders are more common or more seen like depression, schizophrenia, or autistic spectrum. Even from falls generating blow to the skull, and that generate or trigger these disorders. Here we can analyze how a mental health problem can develop in different ways and quickly, as well as physical illness and its importance of being attentive to the health care of our children. To prevent these mental problems, let's talk about how to see the signs. In order to recognize the signs, we have to know the topic to prevent it and learn more about these disorders, and this take better care of the mental health. Mainly, we have to inform ourselves about the subjects that in prevented, and the parents and guardians have to take care of her children's mental health. We will see a sudden mood change. The children will move away from his activities and or show aggression. Before that happens, we have to must be aware of mental health, and the child's mental health has to be treated from early age, so that they can like build their emotions in the best possible way. Now we want to talk about the importance of taking therapy or going to mental health specialists. We know well that the future of the world is children's, and we all want our planet be safe, a safe place for future children. Therapies and assistance with psychologists are not only for people who already have some type of disorder, but also to prevent it. Psychology teaches how to handle very stressful situations in a better way, and this achieving progress in the problems of daily life. Understanding that children's mental health needs the same importance as doctors' appointment to see physical health would help us as avoid like physical risk in mental health, and also physical health, since the mind and body are one. And our worries are reflecting physical states like acne, colitis, gastritis, and many other conditions are often caused by children can have disorders to anxiety or even schizophrenia. Recognize signs of these disorders. To recognize this, we have to must be see abnormal behaviors in our children, such as lack of interest in topics that like radical move change and others. And why it is so important to have therapies and treatment for the children's mental health. It's important as it helps them to know how to manage their emotions, how to navigate in society, and maintain their mental health as best as possible. And the mental health is not only like just a treatment; it has to be like part of our lives. And yeah.